If you're wondering which drones are worth your money, stick around. After we run through each product, I'll give you my personal take. Would I buy it or would I skip it? No fluff, just my honest opinion. Let's get into it. DJI Air 3. This mid-range drone packs a punch with its dual 48-megapixel cameras, offering both 24 and 70mm equivalent focal lengths for versatile shooting. The Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing and impressive 46-minute flight time make it a reliable choice for longer missions. However, the image quality from its 1 to 1.3-inch sensors doesn't quite match up to the Mavic 3 series, and at 720 grams, it's significantly heavier than the Mini line. Despite these drawbacks, the Air 3's balance of feature and price point make it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking to upgrade from entry-level drones. Would I buy it? Maybe. The Air 3 offers great value for its features, but the image quality might leave some photographers wanting more. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This flagship drone is a powerhouse boasting a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with 2 additional telephoto lenses for unparalleled aerial photography options. Its 43-minute flight time and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance make it a dream to fly, while the ability to shoot 5.1K video at up to 75 FPS is a videographer's delight. On the downside, it's significantly pricier than other models, and its heavier weight means more legal restrictions for flying. The purple fringing around highlights in some images, and the just okay quality from the 166mm telephoto lens are minor disappointments in an otherwise stellar package. Would I buy it? Yes, despite its high price, the Mavic 3 Pro's exceptional image quality and versatile triple camera setup make it the ultimate choice for serious aerial photographers and videographers. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. This drone offers much of what makes the Mavic 3 Pro great, but at a more accessible price point. It features the same excellent 4:3 CMOS main camera and impressive 46-minute flight time as its Pro sibling. However, you'll miss out on the additional telephoto lenses, which might limit your creative options in certain situations. The Classic still delivers outstanding image quality and performance, making it a solid choice for those who don't need the extra reach of the Pro's telephoto lenses. Would I buy it? Yes. The Mavic 3 Classic offers a great balance of high-end features and image quality at a more reasonable price, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. DJI Mini 3. This ultra-portable drone weighs just 249 grams, making it ideal for travelers and beginners who want to avoid stricter drone regulations. Its 1 to 1.3-inch sensor and f1.7 aperture delivers surprisingly good image quality for its size, while the ability to shoot vertical video is a nice touch for social media content creators. The 38-minute flight time, or 51 minutes with the Plus battery, is impressive for such a small drone. However, you'll miss out on features like obstacle avoidance sensors and advanced tracking modes found in pricier models. Would I buy it? Maybe. The Mini 3 is an excellent entry-level drone, but more experienced pilots might find its feature set limiting compared to larger models. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This tiny powerhouse weighs just 249 grams, making it incredibly portable and exempt from certain regulations. Its 1 to 1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning 48-megapixel photos and 4K 60fps HDR video, rivaling larger drones. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is a game-changer, making it much safer to fly in tight spaces. However, the image quality is more smartphone-like than professional-grade, with noticeable grain when viewing at 100%. Would I buy it? Yes, because it offers an excellent balance of features, portability, and image quality for both beginners and experienced pilots. Autel Evo Lite Plus. This drone packs a punch with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, capturing crisp 20-megapixel photos and 6K 30fps video. The adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11 gives you more creative control over exposure and depth of field. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it outlasts many competitors, including the DJI Mini 4 Pro. However, it's significantly heavier at 835 grams, requiring registration in many countries. Would I buy it? Maybe. Because while it offers superior image quality and flight time, its larger size and weight makes it less convenient for travel compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Autel Evo Nano Plus. This 249-gram drone is a direct competitor to the DJI Mini series, offering a 1 to 1.28-inch CMOS sensor for 50-megapixel photos and 4K 30fps video. Its RYYB color filter array and f1.9 aperture provides excellent low-light performance. The 3-way obstacle avoidance system adds a layer of safety, though it's not as comprehensive as the DJI Mini 4 Pros. One downside is its higher price point compared to similar DJI models. Would I buy it? Maybe, because while it offers great image quality and obstacle avoidance, its higher price and less advanced features compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro make it a tougher sell. Ryze Tello. This tiny drone is perfect for beginners, with its compact size and easy-to-use controls. It's incredibly affordable at just $99, making it a great entry point for those new to drones. However, it struggles in even light winds and has a limited flight time of around 11 minutes. The 720p camera isn't great for serious photography or videography, but it's decent for casual use and learning the basics of drone flight. Would I buy it? Yes, if you're a complete beginner looking for an affordable way to get into drones. DJI Avata 2. This FPV drone is a significant improvement over its predecessor, with better flight performance and a lighter weight. The camera quality is impressive, featuring a 1 to 1.3 inch sensor that performs well in low light conditions. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, which can be risky for inexperienced pilots. The drone offers 3 flight modes, including a manual mode that can reach speeds up to 60.39 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating flying experience. Would I buy it? Maybe. If you're interested in FPV flying and want a high-quality camera drone, but be prepared for a steeper learning curve. DJI Neo. This budget-friendly drone offers incredible value, featuring a gimbal, 4K video, and 12-megapixel stills for just $199. It's extremely easy to use and even includes 22GB of built-in storage. However, the image quality can be disappointing in poor lighting conditions, and the flight time is quite short without extra batteries. The Neo is versatile, compatible with various DJI controllers and even FPV goggles, making it a flexible option for different flying styles. Would I buy it? Yes, if you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly drone with decent features. HoverAir X1. This selfie drone is designed for quick and easy use, with the ability to launch and capture moments in seconds. It offers excellent subject tracking capabilities and various intelligent flight paths. However, the camera is limited to 2.7K at 30 FPS, which may not satisfy more serious videographers. The drone's manual flight is extremely limited in terms of distance and altitude, with a maximum transmission range of just 30 meters. Would I buy it? Maybe, if you prioritize ease of use and quick deployment for selfies and short videos, but not if you need more advanced flying capabilities. Skydio 2 Plus. This drone is a game changer with its insane obstacle avoidance and tracking capabilities, making it nearly impossible to crash. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a solid airframe and a magnetic battery pack that's super easy to swap out. However, the 27-minute battery life is just average, and the lack of a folding design makes it less portable than some competitors. While the 4K camera produces decent footage, it's not quite on par with some other drones in this price range. Would I buy it? Maybe. The autonomous flying features are incredible, but the lack of portability and average camera quality might be deal breakers for some users. DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering improved range, longer battery life, and excellent 4K 60p video. The compact folding design makes it super easy to carry around, and it's a breeze to fly even for beginners. However, the video feed can sometimes stutter and lock momentarily, which can be frustrating during flight. The panoramic mode also left me feeling underwhelmed, as the stitching wasn't always perfect due to the drone's lightweight design. Would I buy it? Yes. Despite a few minor issues, the Mavic Air 2 offers an excellent balance of features, portability, and image quality for its price point. DJI Mavic Air 2S. This drone takes everything great about the Mavic Air 2 and kicks it up a notch with its larger 1-inch sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and improved low-light performance. The addition of upward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors is a welcome upgrade, making it even safer to fly in complex environments. However, the flight time is slightly reduced compared to the Mavic Air 2, and it still lags side obstacle sensors. The 48-megapixel mode creates a noticeable lag, which can be frustrating when trying to capture that perfect shot. Would I buy it? Yes, the Mavic Air 2S offers professional-level image quality in a compact, user-friendly package, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and serious aerial photographers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the best drone for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys up in the next one. Peace out.